Good morning, Yaks. Hopefully everybody had a fantastic weekend. It's going to be a busy week here at YakDAO as we are running through TokenFi and also Neo launch pads on the 28th. TGE is right around the corner. I'm actually out here at the property that we own outright as a DAO, just preparing that for kind of our spring summer season. So I'm going to show you guys around. We've got our trout pond right here. It's fully stocked with rainbow trout. Pretty awesome. And that goes back, there's 24 acres here. That goes back, we'll have some development back there later on. These units up here you can kind of see up in the woods past the dock. Those are actually going to be, we're getting 3 domes put in. Just had a large order of firewood brought in, so getting that stacked and put away. We got our barrel sauna going last night. It was pretty awesome. Got the it's a wood stove barrel sauna and got that temperature up. I think we were at about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, so it was cooking, and then jumping off the dock into the pond. So pretty fun experience. Little patios getting set up and cleaned up. We got we'll have a camper actually here too, a bunkhouse camper, mostly just for maintenance and stuff, but folks that are part of the DAO can come stay in that from time to time as well. And then we've got just brought this shed in for storage, and we'll have a lawn tractor and some things like that. So definitely getting everything going for the season. Units were looking good, all cleaned up and looking nice. Power, septic, well, all that stuff is coming in over the next couple weeks. So it's all happening, but this is the real world assets, RWA side of this. So it's just fun to be able to showcase this. We're already live, have the property, everything's set up. We're just going to continue to maintain it and make it better, and the token really helps support that. So looking forward to an exciting week ahead, guys. Talk to you soon.